Set to see a weekend of winter weather. Now, most of the snow is going to be across northern parts of Britain, but the nighttime frosts are likely to stretch right the way down to the Channel coast by the end of the weekend. So some chilly times coming up, but at the moment we've still got the mild air. We've also got some fairly strong winds, particularly across northern England, Wales and the West Country this afternoon. We might be experiencing gusts of 40 to 60 miles an hour there. Those strong winds have been driving some rain in off the Atlantic, now beginning to appear as quite a coherent band across Ireland and also onto the western side of Scotland. Some bright colours indicating some pretty heavy bursts of rain there. But away from that dark area of cloud, you can see there are some holes to the southeast. And if I just move out of the way, you can see how speckled the cloud field is out in the Atlantic, indicating that's where the showery weather is, and it'll gradually spread in across Northern Ireland and also across Scotland as the afternoon wears on. The wet weather will slip south of the border into northern England, Wales and also across the West Country, and it's probably going to be after dark before the rain starts to make any inroads across the Midlands, eventually moving into southeast England overnight tonight, by which time it won't be particularly wet. So those strong winds driving the rain through, so it won't feel particularly mild if you are out in those gale force winds and heavy bursts of rain. That weather system, as I say, weakening as it tracks southeastwards overnight, and then for tomorrow some more wet and windy weather coming in off the Atlantic. In between for a time tonight, eastern Scotland down through central parts of England into eastern Wales, temperatures could get low enough for a touch of frost on the ground. So into Friday, and a mixture of rain, sleet and snow moving across Northern Ireland and Scotland, perhaps getting into northern England. It'll be rain that's going to cross more southern parts of England and Wales, starting to turn colder in the north, and then as we go into Saturday, this little low will bring some more wet weather to the south, and then by Sunday the air will be coming from the Arctic. And that's the forecast.